Today, we're going to discuss how to use 2D barcodes in VB.NET. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today, we're going to create a QR code and then read it right back in VB.NET in about a dozen lines. No image library, no decoding path, just IronBarcode doing the full round trip. Right now, I'm in Visual Studio with the IronBarcode library already installed from NuGet, version 2025 11.4. At the top of the file, we import the IronBarcode namespace, which gives us everything that we're going to need. And the license key lives here in a region hidden, just to keep the code clean, but just know that's where your license key would go. So down in the main method, we start by creating the QR code. We call barcode writer.createBarcode and then pass it the URL that we want to encode. So in this case, the Iron Software barcode page. The second parameter is what makes it a QR code rather than a linear barcode. Then we save it as an image with save as image, writing it to a file called demo.png, and that's the generation half done. Now the part that makes this actually useful, reading it back, we point at the image path that we just saved and call barcode reader.read to pull any barcodes out of that file. We check whether anything was detected, and if we got a hit, we loop through the results and print the barcode type and value to the console. If anything turned up, we print a quick message saying no barcode was detected, so the program never just fails silently. All right, let's go ahead and run it. And there's the console output. It detected our barcode. The barcode type comes back as QR code, exactly what we created. And the barcode value is the URL that we encoded. The read worked perfectly. And here's the demo.png. The program generated a clean, sharp QR code. Scan it with your phone, and it takes you straight to the Iron Software URL, ready to drop in any app. And that is creating and reading 2D barcodes in VB.NET with IronBarcode. The same handful of methods cover both generation and detection, and the library takes care of the rest. All right, we hope that this tutorial helped. And if you're curious and want to try more, the IronBarcode free trial gives you the full library to run on your VB.NET project. There's a link in the description to the website. Go ahead, download, install, and check it out. And if you're interested in more .NET content, make sure you subscribe. We have a lot more coming.